So standing desk is the best way to keep your mind focused and your body energized. If you're working on the computer for long periods of time, or if you're at the desk for long periods of time, standing desk is something that will work for you. Well, look, every day, countless of hours a day, I'm sitting down and sometimes I feel fatigue. Well, I got the ErGear standing desk that has a budget solution and a total solution to help you out in need, right? It helps you with your work flow and it keeps you energized because it's a standing desk that you're allowed to sit down, work on the desk. But if you want to get those juices flowing, you stand up, and it's tall enough for almost everyone. So let me give you my thoughts about it. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I'm excited today because this desk brings a lot of features as I need as a content creator that films every day. But before I give my thoughts about this desk, let's talk about what you get in the box and also the assembly process. Looking at what comes in the box, it comes with the tabletop, it comes with lifting columns, 2 feet, the power plug, nuts and bolts, and cables and clamps. So the purpose of this standing desk is to give you the complete solution for working at home or even at your business, right? So being at the computer for a long period of time, sometimes your body do get fatigue. So a standing desk helps energize the body and it keeps you focused on getting work done. So the ErGear standing desk has a minimum height of 28 inches and a maximum height of 46 inches with a weight capacity of 176 pounds. The desk size is about 48 inches in width and 24 inches in depth. Now, the assembly of this desk took me about 30 minutes, which I had to use a hand screwdriver, which took me a bit longer. The instructions is very easy, step-by-step way on how to put this together. But if you want to do this in a short period of time, a power drill is necessary to do this. And you know what? Let's talk about the price. The price for this desk right here is $179. I will leave the product links down in the description below because this is an awesome price for this product. So one of the biggest reasons why I got another standing desk and I like this desk is because it's ultra premium and the price. So they do come in variety of colors and sizes. Let's talk about the colors. You could get this in black, natural, and the one I have is this beautiful vintage brown. Now I like this color. This is the color I picked. Also, they have 4 different sizes. They have a 40 by 24 inches, 48 by 24 inches, 55 by 28 inches, and a whopping 63 by 28 inches, which is huge. Again, I will leave all the product links down in the description below. Now, the surface of this desk is a high quality, smooth texture that feels great, and I believe that it will hold up over time. I mean, looking at this desk, looking at how premium this desk is, for the price, I think they did a very good job here. So let's talk about the controller here. Now, you got 3 settings. Right out of the box, it's already preset, but it's very easy to program to any height you want. All you have to do is just set the height and press the S button, which is for settings, and press either 1, 2, or 3 to get the desired height that you like. I mean, I really do like the simplicity of the controller because it's very easy to program and it's very easy to go up and down. Not only that, but it's very quiet. These motors are very quiet. which is really nice. So it's a good way to save multiple heights as you desire. Now, this desk has a obstruction detection to avoid damaging the desk if you have a child underneath the desk or if you have something that's obstructing the height of this desk. It will automatically turn off, which is a good thing. So let's talk about the pros and cons with this standing desk. First, this is ErGear's first attempt at a motorized standing desk, and it's a complete thumbs up for me for its beautiful surface and its quiet motors. So they did a very good job at that. Next, the price. Look, most standing desks are very expensive, but this one right here is $179, which is almost a steal compared to other standing desks. Next, the desk won't wobble at its highest height. Now, I tested this and I was very impressed that after I had it so high that the highest it can go and I shook it, you do not get that much shake, which is very good. I was very impressed at no wobbling at the highest height. And lastly, the controls are very easy. I do like the ease of use of the controls from this product. But you know what? That's my pros. But as you know, no product is perfect. So here are some opportunities. These are not cons, but these are going to be the opportunities. First, I wish there was ports to connect smartphones or tablets, like maybe a USB Type-C port or a USB Type-A port. That would be nice. That would be nice because I do have a lot of devices that I need to connect. Next, cable management. Again, an opportunity. Although you have a slot in the back for the cables to go down, maybe have some type of slot underneath it for good cable management. I think that's an opportunity for their next product. But that's it. That's the pros and cons with this standing desk. Overall, I really do like this desk. I like the texture, the color, the smoothness, and it's overall a premium product for ErGear's first attempt. That's what I'm talking about. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the motorized standing desk in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.